Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by Louis Quien in 1876. You can see that black has a knight and two bishops, but the black king is surrounded by a white bishop, a white rook and two knights. There's also a white pawn threatening the bishop. So it's white's turn. Can you get a checkmate in 2? If you try to take the bishop with the pawn, black can just move the bishop and then there's no follow-up to get a checkmate in 2. If you try to check the king with the knight by moving it to d7, the king can take the bishop, and then there's no follow-up to checkmate in 2 because the king has an escape square. If you check the king with the rook, if the black king does take the white bishop, it will get checkmated, but it does have an escape square, and there's no follow-ups to get a checkmate in 2 this way. If you move the bishop to e6, it is possible to get a checkmate in 3. The bishop can take your bishop, but then you can check with the knight, and then if you push the c pawn, it's a checkmate in 3, but not 2. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. What you actually need to do is to move the white bishop to e4. And then if black pushes the d pawn, you can move the rook to f5 to checkmate the king in 2. If black pushes the e pawn, you can move the knight to d7 to checkmate the king. If black moves the bishop to e6, you can then move the knight to d3 to checkmate the king in 2. And if black moves the knight to d4, you can take it with the pawn to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe to not miss out on future chess puzzles, and I'll see you again soon.